what are the peculiarities of the following situations and what approach or method should be used for these situations. Now, this is what all of you have to answer. So, please tell me, according to you, what are the peculiarities of a distressed asset situation? All of you.
Sir, cost approach,
Okay, cost
liquidation.
liquidation. Okay, okay. And what are the peculiarities of a distressed asset, Puneet?
They are like the owner is selling assets at throwaway prices, maybe because of need of money.
Okay, okay,
So
good.
whatever, yeah.
Okay, good. What about the startup entities? What are the peculiarities of startup entities? And according to all of you, what method or approach should be used in case of in
Market approach of startup entities because their various data is not available कि what type of business startup कर पाएगी आगे कितना वो आगे cash generate कर पाएगी तो we can take the similar transaction method the similar startup अगर कोई है सर तो उसी का ही हम database लेके market approach से इसका valuation करना.
Okay, good, very good, very good. Valuation of a small and medium enterprise. How will you do it? What are the peculiarities of a medium and a small enterprise? And what approach or method should you use for valuation of SME?
The SME दोनों market और income भी income approach या market approach.
Okay,
Market approach.
good, good. So you can use income approach here, right?
Income approach.
Correct, income approach. Okay. And method कौन सा होगा under the income approach?
Future cash flow.
Future cash. So DCF.
Yes, sir.
What about the valuation of cyclical firms?
In case of cyclical firms, also in that method we can take the capitalized cash flow also कि पिछली cycle से किस साइकिल में उसका कितना अमाउंट जनरेट हुआ है उसके बेसिस पे हम आगे का एस्टिमेशन कर सकते हैं सिचुएशन बेस्ड also DCF method may be adopted with the help of previous cycles.
Okay, with the help of previous cycle. Okay. And क्या लगता है आपको what is a cyclical firm?
Cyclical firms like ups and downs, the fluctuations very much there. Maybe due to market.
Okay.
I think that this is the season, sir. These are indicates the seasonal firms like a industry for which is manufacture the winter clothes. So there is a particular cycle in which they manufacture. There is a particular cycle. There is the more sale, and in a particular cycle there is no sale, no manufacture. Is it?
No. My question then changes. My question then becomes, Ankur, is a cyclical firm same as seasonal firm?
I am referring that actually interchangeably. I don't know whether I don't think.
Okay. So what you are referring is the seasonal firm.
Okay.
You are referring is seasonal firm, and which is correct because valuation of a seasonal firm is also a specific situation. Okay. And we are talking about the cyclical firms. And remember what is the cyclical firm? Cyclical firm का मतलब ये है और cyclical business का मतलब ये है कि businesses that move with the cycle of the economy. You know, you have those business cycle. We discussed, you remember we discussed that
Yes.
peak and trough and recovery and prosperity. So seasonal cyclical का मतलब है कि कंपनीज विच आर गोइंग विद द साइकिल. सो अभी सर्टेन इंडस्ट्री है, सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री है, इज अ साइक्लिकल. वाई साइक्लिकल? क्योंकि जैसा इकोनॉमी में होगा वैसा सीमेंट कंपनी की परफॉर्मेंस होगी. FMCG इज नॉट अ साइक्लिकल कंपनी, इट इज अ डिफेंसिव बिजनेस एंड वाई डिफेंसिव बिजनेस? बिकॉज इकोनॉमी में कुछ भी होता रहे, साइक्लिकल इकोनॉमी में कुछ भी होता रहे, एफएमसीजी की कंपनी की परफॉर्मेंस में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डिफेंसिव फर्म. डिफेंसिव फर्म का मतलब क्या है कि इकोनॉमी को कहीं भी जाने दो, इन कंपनीज की परफॉर्मेंस पे फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. डू यू फॉलो दैट, बोथ ऑफ यू?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we okay. So we look at the and then valuation of investment entities. You know what is an investment entity?
इन्वेस्टमेंट रेप्लिका प्रोडक्शन वाला मैथड लगेगा इधर.
What is an investment entity?
इन्वेस्टमेंट वेंचर कैपिटल काइंड ऑफ.
Venture capital. Okay. So very simple. Investment entities are the companies whose business is to make investment. It's as simple as that. तो जिन कंपनियों का काम ही इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, those are known as investment companies. And then valuation of insurance coverage. So how do you do the valuation of insurance coverage? So आपको एक इंश्योरेंस कवरेज लेना है, तो उस इंश्योरेंस कवरेज का वैल्यूएशन कैसे करेंगे? So these are the 6 specific situations, and now we will understand as to how to do the valuation in case of these 6 specific situations.